I was at a Floyd Wickman, my very first Floyd Wickman Sweat Hogs seminar. And they talked about goal setting, which we have talked about. And they said, make a goal poster, like a vision board, okay? And I go, okay, I'm gonna do that. Now, I'm not the type of coach that gets really into that kind of stuff, but I think there's some value in that. So I went into magazines and cut out all the things I wanted to buy. So I wanted to buy a certain kind of car. So I cut out a picture of that car and stuck it on the little poster. And then I had, I wanted this is before iPhones and stuff. It was like Palm Pilot or something like that. So I wanted that, and then there was other things. I wanted to buy a house, and I wanted to take guitar lessons. Horrible idea. Not all these goals are good ideas. Okay, so that was a bad one, but I did do it. So I put all these goals on the board, and then the program was over. It was a 12-week program, and I take the vision board, and it had been hanging, and then it got tattered, and I put it away. And years later, I pull that vision board out, and I look at it, and there's that car, that color, parked in my driveway. And I actually did buy that little, organizer thing. That was 3 of them ago, and I did take guitar lessons. Horrible idea, remember, that one didn't work out. I bought that house. I got all those things. Literally every one of those things came true. There was a vacation and playing more golf and all that kind of stuff. So, there is something about that. So until the next video, I want you to focus on the basics. I want you to be committed. I want you to be obsessed. And I want you to get your skills, your schedule, and your systems right. And I want you to feel free to call me anytime at 480-385-8810. And let's see if you would be a good fit for Fearless Agent Coaching, because if you are, you're going to get rich. And if you're not, I'm still going to help you either way. So call me anytime, 480-385-8810. I want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.